This video will cover the first few problems in the Chapter 4 section on the final exam review. And all of these problems will deal with simplifying these polynomial expressions. So in number 1, we're adding the polynomials. So we're simply looking for like terms. So I'll go ahead and combine all the like terms that I see. Remember, they need to have the same exponent, the same variable risen to the same exponent. So negative 4x squared plus 1x squared is negative 3x squared. 3x minus 4x is negative 1x. And negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1. All right, in the next one, I'm going to be subtracting polynomials. So I just want to make sure that I distribute that negative to those inside. So what you can do is just change that to a plus and then change the sign on all the terms inside those parentheses. All right, there is no other x to the fourth term, so it will stay x to the fourth. I have a 4x and a negative 7x, so that will be negative 3x. I have a negative 3 and a positive 6, so that will be plus 3, and then plus 2x squared. Now, I'm going to write this in standard form, so in decreasing order of exponents, just because I think it looks better. All right, in number 3, we're multiplying. So we've been using a box to multiply. So I'll create a 3 by 2 box. Okay, I'm just going to multiply my terms. So m squared times m squared is m to the fourth. M squared times negative m is negative m to the third. M squared times 5 is 5m squared. 3 times m squared is 3m squared. 3 times negative m is negative 3m. And 3 times 5 is 15. And so now I just want to make sure I go back and I combine any like terms. Now I just see 2 like terms there. So I'll have my final answer will be m to the fourth minus m cubed. 3m squared plus 5m squared is 8m squared minus 3m plus 15. Okay. In number 4, I am squaring 3x minus 4. Remember, that's the same thing as 3x minus 4 times 3x minus 4. And so I can create another box here. So this will be a 2 by 2 box. Okay. 3x times 3x is 9x squared. 3x times negative 4 is negative 12x. Negative 4 times 3x is negative 12x. And negative 4 times negative 4 is positive 16. I have 2 like terms to combine. So I'll have 9x squared minus 24x plus 16 as my final answer. In number 5, I'll come back to number 5. I'm going to do that on a separate page. Number 6, I'm multiplying. This time I have 3 expressions I'm multiplying, so I'm going to have to use the box twice. So I'll first go ahead and use the box with 3x plus 5 and x minus 4. Oops. So 3x times x is 3x squared. 3x times negative 4 is negative 12x. 5 times x is 5x, and 5 times negative 4 is negative 20. I'll combine like terms, and so when I multiplied these first 2 expressions together, I got 3x squared. I'm combining like terms, sorry. So I've got 3x squared minus 7x minus 20 here. And now I'm going to multiply that by my last expression, 4x plus 1. So I'll go ahead and do a 3 by 2 box. Four x times 3x squared is 12x cubed. 4x times negative 7x is negative 28x squared. 4x times negative 20 is negative 80x. 1 times 3x squared is 3x squared. I'm multiplying by 1 here, so they'll all stay the same. Then I'm just going to combine my like terms. So my final answer is 12x cubed minus 25x squared minus 87x minus 20. And I'll go ahead and I'll make a separate video for number 5.